Hello guys, magandang tanghali. Uuwi na ako, sobrang init na. Medyo malayo pa yung lalakarin ko, mag-abang ng bus doon sa kabilang kalye pa. Walang bus stop dito. May bus na dumadaan pero walang sakayan. Kailangan ko pang tumawid dun sa kabilang kalsada, sa may Hamdan, papuntang Hamdan, bago maghamdan. Ito, bye muna. Bye Cornice, Seaside Park. See you again next time. Happy weekend everyone. I need to go to the Alwada Mall for our CG meeting today. After Alwada Mall, I'm going straight to Evangelical Church tonight. We have a church service today. Ayan. Bye, Cornice Beach in Cornice, Seaside Park. See you again tomorrow. Next time. See you again next time.